If you want to make your Instagram account private, the first step is to switch to a personal account. And in this video, we're going to show you exactly how you can do that. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Right now, we are in Instagram, and if you want to go ahead and actually get to the right section for this, you want to go ahead and navigate to your profile by clicking on the icon on the bottom right, and then hitting the three lines in the top right corner to open up your settings and activity. From here, scroll down until you see an option that says for professionals or business tools and controls, and then find the section that does say account type. Now for me, it says creator tools and controls just because that is the option that I selected for my personal brand account. So I'm going to click on this, but for you, it might say something different. Once you get on here, you should see an option right here that says switch account type towards the bottom. Go ahead and click on that, and it's going to give you the option to switch to a personal account or switch to a business account. You're going to want to go ahead and tap switch to personal account and then confirm your choice. Once that switch is complete, return back to settings and activity, and then go to account privacy and open up this option. And from here, you can turn on that private account setting just like so, and then hit switch to private. Go ahead and confirm that decision, and you're done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.